This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 actionable tips. So let's get started. We're on to B with Benchmark Email. Benchmark offers the quickest way to grow your business, reach your audience, and attract new customers with robust email marketing. As you can see, the email solution is laid out in a few sections. You have emails, you have contacts, automations, reports, and then landing pages. Everything is very well laid out. So tip number 1, create targeted segments for your list so you can send relevant emails to each group. For example, create segments based on location, purchase history, interests, etc. Tip number 2, use dynamic content to personalize your emails. So you can insert subscriber names, locations, purchase data, and more to make each email feel customized for the user. Tip number 3, test different subject lines. You can do this with A/B testing, try different lengths, emojis, urgency, and more. Tip number 4, set up automated email workflows like welcome series, abandoned cart emails, re-engagement campaigns, and more to nurture each of these subscriber segments. Tip number 5, integrate with your CRM. This solution has nearly 1,500 integrations, so I don't think you'll find many with more. And you're sure to find your e-commerce store or other tools that you sync data with to avoid manually importing and exporting lists. Tip number 6, use A/B testing, as we talked about previously, to test and experiment with different email content, different designs, send times, etc., to optimize your campaigns. Once you find what works, just rinse and repeat, do it over and over again. And we do have time for a bonus tip number 7, analyze your email analytics. You'll notice there's a robust reporting capability within Benchmark Email, so make sure you're using that. Get a free demo of the Benchmark Email platform and automation by going to softwareoasis.com/benchmark. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal over the next 30 days. 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions.